Well, right, what's happening, folks? Today we are going outside with the kids. We're going to play on the new lawnmower, have a bit of fun cutting the grass. Hopefully don't run over any animals. So that's all cool. Sun's out, the guns are out. Let's get the mower out. Boom! So we just got this new John Deere mower. It's wicked. Kids love it. Charlie can drive it. Put a little trailer on the back of it. Needs a little bit of work doing to it. But here she is, folks. Behold. Concord. Yes, yes. She is sweet. Sweet ride, bruv. Sweet ride. Right. That being said, let's back her out. Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Shut it! Bastard! Woohoo! There she is, folks. Woo! Look at that. What a beaut. What a beauty. Let's go and get the kids and have some fun. Just a little note to myself. When you're going to fill the pond up, make sure you don't go out for 5 hours and leave it on all day. Just saying. Just remember that next time, dopey. Right, just don't tell Steph. Shh. I don't want to lose. Oh, you bastard. What do you need? Dow. No, it's not what I asked you to do. It's not what I asked you to do. It's not what I asked you to do at all, is it? Alright.
What's enough for this?
That's enough of that.
What's enough for this? Done.
Help something, son. And now, just a quick word from our sponsors.